Stock problem now. On January 2nd, 2019, Bray Corporation issues 900 shares of $100 par convertible preferred stock for $117 per share. On January 7th, 2020, all the preferred shareholders convert their shares to common stock. Part 1. Prepare the January 2nd, 2019 journal entry to record the issuance of preferred stock. So January 2nd, 2019, and in this case, we're receiving cash, and that's an exchange for preferred stock, and it's in excess of par. 117 is obviously greater than 100, so we'll also have our additional paid in capital on preferred stock. And so our cash is equal to the 900 shares times the 117. The preferred stock is the 900 times the par value 100, and the additional paid in capital is the 900 times the difference, or 17. Then we have part 2 here. Prepare the January 7th, 2020 journal entry to record the conversion, assuming the preferred stock contract states that each share of preferred stock is convertible into 7 shares of $10 par common stock. So when we convert it, we're going to eliminate this preferred stock additional paid in capital account, because we're going to eliminate that and then replace it with common stock. But before we actually do that, let's do a little math on the side to see the value of the common stock. So we have 900 shares times 7 shares, because each one preferred is going to be converted into 7 common, times the par value of 10, and we have 63,000, which was originally issued at 105,300, so we know we're also going to have additional paid in capital on the common. So we'll copy down our preferred stock and additional paid in that we need to eliminate. And debit both of those accounts, so now they're gone. And then we need to create the common stock and the additional paid in capital on our common stock. And so we already calculated 63,000 for that common stock, and now we can say the 105,300 minus 63 gives us 42,300 as our additional paid in capital on common stock. Then we have part B. So we're still preparing the January 7th, 2020 journal entry, but now we're assuming the preferred stock contract states that each share of preferred stock is convertible into 12 shares of $10 par common stock. So again, let's do that math on the side. We have 900 shares times 12 shares times $10, and we get 108. But if we look back, the original issue was 105,300. So that means we issued it for less than the value of the common stock. So what's going to happen? We still have to eliminate preferred stock and the additional paid in capital on preferred stock. So that's going to remain the same. We still have to create this common stock account, but it's for 108 this time. So if we pull down common stock, for 108, we're not balanced yet. And over here, if we just said that 108 minus 9,000 minus 15,300, we have $2,700 debited, unaccounted for. So where does that $2,700 come from if we issued it below par value? And so clearly it's not additional paid in capital, because it's not additional paid in, it's the opposite direction. So that actually comes out of retained earnings. And so we have a debit to retained earnings for $2,700, and then the single credit to common stock for 108.